Ready to conquer e-commerce? With this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through every step of launching an e-commerce business. Follow along as we break it all down step by step. Before we embark on this e-commerce adventure, let's define it first. Electronic commerce, also known as e-commerce, is the online buying and selling goods and services through digital marketplaces like the Internet. This allows you to buy and sell everything from clothes to electronics and groceries at the comfort of your home. Example: Amazon is an iconic example of the power of online shopping. What started out as an online bookstore has now evolved into an immense global marketplace offering millions of products, thanks to Amazon's user-friendly platform and efficient delivery services which have revolutionized how we shop e-commerce. Step 2. Select your niche. Every successful e-commerce business starts with a well-defined niche. Tip: research market trends and identify your passion. For instance, if eco-friendly products are an area in which you have expertise or are seeing an uptick in sustainability trends, an eco-conscious e-commerce store might make for an excellent starting point. This could become the basis of your niche. Example: Jessica Alba co-founded The Honest Company as a way of producing eco-friendly consumer products that were safe. Their commitment to transparent ingredient sourcing and sustainable practices attracted customers seeking reliable eco-conscious options available on the market. 3. Market research. Market research should serve as your compass in e-commerce. Before diving in, conduct extensive competitor and target audience analyses in order to understand their strengths and weaknesses as well as preferences, pain points and buying habits of your target customers. Tools like Google Trends or social media insights may offer invaluable information that can inform your strategy. Example: Warby Parker, an eyewear e-commerce company, conducted meticulous market research. Their analysis identified an overpriced gap in the market that they exploited by offering affordable yet fashionable eyewear with a convenient try-before-you-buy program, disrupting industry norms with innovative disruption techniques while emphasizing the value of market research. 4. Building your online store. Your digital storefront should include an e-commerce platform that is user-friendly, such as Shopify, WooCommerce or BigCommerce, that offer user-friendly options with customizable templates to match the specific needs and budget constraints of your business. When selecting an e-commerce platform, it is key that it accommodates user experience with customizable templates, and these platforms may offer these as options that best meet those criteria. Example: Shopify is an ideal platform for entrepreneurs to create and customize online stores efficiently, thanks to a wide range of templates and integrations that make the platform user-friendly for both novice and seasoned e-commerce business owners alike. Their success demonstrates why selecting an appropriate platform for your e-commerce venture is of utmost importance. 5. Design and user experience. Your store's design and user experience can make or break its success. Tip: prioritize a clean and mobile responsive design when prioritizing an effective user experience for customers. A clutter-free layout with smooth navigation enhances this goal and should make finding, discovering and purchasing your products effortless for customers. Example: Apple's website showcases the power of user-centric design. Their minimalist aesthetic, intuitive navigation and mobile responsiveness help provide customers with a hassle-free shopping experience. Apple understands that user experience and design are crucial factors for online success. Step 6. Sourcing products. Selecting the ideal products is crucial to any e-commerce journey. When selecting products for sourcing purposes, there are multiple approaches you could pursue: drop shipping, wholesale purchasing, or even producing custom items yourself. Each has its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Example: consider Zappos, the popular online shoe and clothing retailer. Initially, Zappos used drop-shipping models that involved partnering with suppliers to fulfill customer orders without holding massive stockpiles themselves. Later they transitioned towards an inventory-based model by stocking their own products to increase quality control over shipping times while increasing profits, both factors which contributed to Zappos' success. 7. Crafting compelling product listings. Your product listings serve as your sales pitch to potential customers, so create compelling product listings by crafting detailed and persuasive product descriptions that include high-quality images, clear product descriptions and all essential details like pricing, sizes and availability. Example: Amazon, one of the world's most successful e-commerce platforms, excels at creating engaging product listings. Their listings offer high-resolution images from multiple angles as well as product specifications, customer reviews and frequently asked questions, FAQs. Furthermore, product descriptions use persuasive language to showcase benefits. By providing such thorough information about each item on sale, they instill trust among their buyers and promote sales. Keep in mind that success in e-commerce requires hard work and adaptation. Both are indispensable assets in building success in this space. If this guide was helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more business insight. Join us in our next video as we continue our exploration of entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching.